everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna make grilled potatoes. There's nothing special about the ingredients you need, so you can make it on any day. It is also super easy, so kids like me can make it. Hope you enjoy! There are 7 ingredients for this recipe, but we'll only be using 6 for seasoning. They are 1 teaspoon of chili powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric, half a teaspoon of dried fenugreek leaves, half a teaspoon of salt, and a teaspoon of pepper, and 1.5 tablespoons of the oil of your choice. Here I've used olive oil. Then we need 2 potatoes. We will also be needing a few materials. They are a cutting board, a bowl, and a grill. Let's get started. The first step is to preheat your grill. Be very careful with this. Ask an adult for help. Preheat your grill to medium or high heat. While that goes, let's get started with the second step. The second step is to peel your potatoes and slice them into about this big slices. Okay, now let's season. Here I've added all my dry ingredients, my oil, and my potatoes. Now we must mix. Now that my grill has been preheated, we have to lightly glaze this with oil so that it cooks better. Okay. Now using your tweezers or tongs, carefully place these potatoes onto your grill. Have adult help. If your grill has been preheated, you can hear that sizzling. As you can hear, it's sizzling nicely. If you have extra oil and the mixture, you can glaze this again with the extra because you don't want to waste that. If you don't have this, you can flip it over if it's already golden brown on one side. This may take a few minutes, but you want it nicely cooked. So, I'll see you in mine. Now, my potatoes are ready. They're tender but crispy. Remember, they're going to be a little spicy, so if you don't want them that spicy, you can lower the amount of pepper you add. And if you want a sauce as a side, you can add that. You want to serve them warm so they taste good. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you like your grilled potatoes. If you did, subscribe to my channel, like this video, and comment down below. Wait, don't leave yet. No, I did not forget about the shoutouts I promised in my last video. The 2 people who got the answer right are Rishita and Tanishka. Bye!